joined by Valentine and Steve on the Bernhard stand here. Valentine, we know you well from Mayer Global. Steve, obviously Bernhard's, who've been well established and famous for your jackets that we see at all events.
Infamous.
You're launching a partnership, should we call it, yeah? Mm-hmm. Did you want to tell us a bit more about why that's come about?
Yeah, definitely. So, for a number of years, Bernhard's have been very famous for just selling grinders. And about 8 years ago, we took on selling sub-air systems.
Yep.
Basically, most of the area outside the United States. And that's done really, really well for us. And we've become a significant part of Sub-Air's business and start to bring even more stability to help grow the business, etc. So during that installations of Sub-Air uses a product called Soil Scout to help control it, which is an in-ground sensor which produces data to help run the Sub-Air systems. So Mayer Global is a software platform that basically anything that produces data, if it's got access to, can upload that information into the platform, and then it brings everything together and works together. And Valentine have been doing quite a lot of work with Soil Scout, and a meeting. We got some vision of where we want to go in the future. And we got introduced to Valentine, and we started talking. We were sharing a vision. We realised it wasn't any point in us doing it independently, and the rest is history, really. So it's where the world's going, especially the turf world. What we love about it is it doesn't work in isolation. It works with everything. Yeah. And some of the products that we sell and are going to sell in the future, that will bring everything together and complete the picture. So it's actually a really good fit. The company itself and Valentine matches our values, our energy, and our beliefs. So it's really, really exciting time for us and for Mayer. So yeah.
Valentine. So from your point of view, a tie-up for your business with somebody like these guys, quite a big step.
A huge step, and we all are extremely excited to be working with Bernhard. As Steven said, for us, we match the value, we match the vision, we match the energy, and I have all faith that they really understand what Mayer is about, where we want to take the product, and they're going to be our best ambassador to make that impact and make that true vision in the UK.
And I think the fact that you're so well established in the turf sector can help you, because you're coming from the kind of techie side of things, aren't you, rather than a turfy side of things, should I say?
Absolutely. So we've grown importantly in Europe, but they are absolutely going to make the difference in the UK, help us grow, and from our point of view, it allows us to focus on the tech, focus on the AI, continue to work very closely with them to also understand what is the need of the market, and then make that difference.
And we're seeing more and more of what I call the data-driven turf manager. Yeah,
absolutely.
Data is king in so many different places, but it's not just there in terms of kind of giving you backup to justify why that pitch is the same as it was last year, so your star player didn't get injured because of the pitch, but it's also about helping make decisions and indeed disease prediction.
Exactly. So we're all about, it's not about data, it's also about not leaving your data on a server sleeping. It's about valuing that data and making sure that you put that data to work so we can start building the future for you, giving you the insight you need, and answering the question you've got. And I think that's what we're really trying to do with forecasting, and there's plenty more that will be coming this year, that will be coming out to help that kind of forecasting modelling to happen and make that difference.
Well, exciting times for you both.
Absolutely.
We really look forward to seeing how this one develops. We know you both well, and we wish you all the best with it.
Thank you so much.
Good to see you again, Steve.
Yeah,
and always good to see you, Valentine.
Thank you. See you.